We'll guide you through how to connect Notion with Obsidian. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, to begin this tutorial, launch your Obsidian application and make sure your main vault is fully opened and ready to use. We will use the official importer plugin to transfer your Notion pages directly into Obsidian while keeping the structure and content organized. First, navigate to the bottom left corner of the Obsidian interface and click the gear icon to open the settings menu. In the left sidebar, locate and select Community Plugins to access the plugin management area. If community plugins are currently disabled, enable them first. Then click the Browse button to open the plugin marketplace. In the plugin search bar, type exactly importer and wait for the available results to appear. Select the official importer plugin developed by Obsidian from the list. Then click the Install button and wait until the installation process is finished. After the plugin is installed successfully, click the Enable button to activate it. Close the settings window and return to your main Obsidian workspace. Look at the left ribbon toolbar and click the new importer icon to open the migration tool. A new importer window will appear with several different options for transferring content. Open the File Format drop-down menu and change the selection to Notion API. Next, open your browser and navigate to the Notion Integrations page. Create a new integration, give it a recognizable name such as Obsidian Sync, and click Create to generate the integration. Copy the generated internal integration secret token and return to your Notion workspace. Open the page you want to transfer, click the three dots menu in the top right corner, then select Connections. Choose your created integration and click Add Connection to allow access. Go back to the Obsidian importer window and paste your Notion API token into the required token field. In the Select Pages to Import section, click the Load button and wait while your Notion workspace pages are retrieved. Select the pages you want to migrate, review the import settings, and click the Import button. Wait for the process to finish, and your selected Notion pages will be converted into Obsidian notes.